Glenn, the man of the jungles, taking us on an adventure into the rainforest. So far we are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people and 1, 2, 3, 4 dogs. And if Glenn gets us killed, then Flavio should make it back, so he'll be alright.
Where are we going?
I think to a waterfall, but maybe to our deaths. Show us your machete, Glenn. Woo!
Woo!
Chop down, jungle.
Like Bugs Bunny.
We're gonna die.
He's taking us down a waterfall. Rock Ricky's crashing through. Very deep water, and Vanessa's got a bad hand, but very long legs apparently. Here she goes. Come on. Oh, she's sitting on Glenn's lap. That's what she always wanted. The Ecuadorian route. Flavio is going to try and make us a bridge.
He's going to save us.
Because we need to go over there. See Glenn emptying out his wellies? This is our bridge being made.
Not so much a bridge.
It doesn't look massively solid. Oh, okay. Well, Flavio makes it look easy, but then he's got Ecuadorian powers. Who's the first Brit to go? Here goes Ben. Yeah, Ben's got a machete. Shut up! Slipping. Oh, and the dog fell off the wall. Oh, Ben made it. Can't be that hard. Right, Sarah's rescuing the dog.
Right, don't come back down.
Here comes Sarah across the homemade bridge. Easy. Probably she nearly pulled Glenn. We've made it to the little waterfall. Only Glenn, Sarah and Ricky are brave enough to swim in the waterfall. It's not even very warm, and now Sarah's has turned into a wet t-shirt competition. It's a giant earthworm. Climbing through the canyon. The rest of us are not doing that. I think you'd be safer crossing it yourself.
Glenn of the jungle.
Hey! Glenn! Why? Fishing.
What are you doing, Sarah?
Trying to catch fish. 2 hours.
She's a liar.
I finally caught a fish and it's huge.
Pretty hard to work out where it is.
Just about made it out alive.
After a long trek in the jungle, we caught some fish, and this is the creation. I could do it, see?
Well in, Sarah.